Welcome children. Hope all are you fine. Be safe at home. Always try to be the best. Today we are going to see the continuation of the exercise 1.2. Fifth question. Convert the following fractions into decimal numbers. First subdivision 3 by 10. Second subdivision 3 1 by 2. Third subdivision 3 3 by 5. Fourth subdivision 3 by 2. Fifth subdivision 4 by 5. Sixth subdivision 99 by 100. Seventh subdivision 319 by 25. Let us see the answers. First one 3 by 10. Directly they given the denominator as 10. So when we dividing by 10, since it has 1 0, therefore it gives 1 decimal. So it becomes 0.3. Second subdivision, question is 3 1 by 2. It is in the mixed fraction. So we have to convert into improper fraction. How will we convert? The whole number into the denominator plus the numerator. Whole divided by the same denominator 2. 3 into 2 gives 6. So 6 plus 1 divided by 2. 6 plus 1 gives 7. 7 by 2. So we have to convert the denominator as a multiple of 10. So here we have the denominator is 2. 2 multiplied by 5, it gives 10. So I multiply both numerator and denominator by 5. 7 into 5 divided by 2 into 5. It gives 7 5s are 35 divided by 2 5s are 10. Now we have the denominator is 10. So when we dividing by 10, it gives 1 decimal. So it becomes 3.5. Third subdivision you will see the question is 3 3 by 5. So first we have to convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction. So multiply the whole number into the denominator, then add the numerator divided by the same denominator 5. 3 5s gives 15. So 15 plus 3 divided by 5. 15 plus 3 gives 18. 18 by 5. Here the denominator is 5. We want to make it into multiple of 10. So I multiplied by 2. Both numerator and denominator by 2. 18 into 2 by 5 into 2. Now it becomes 36 by 10. So when we dividing by 10, it gives 1 decimal. So the answer is 3.6. Fourth one, the question is 3 by 2, denominator 2. So I want to make it 10. So multiplied by 5. 3 into 5, same divided by 2 into 5. 3 into 5 gives 15, 2 into 5 gives 10. When we divide by 10, it gives 1 decimal, so the answer is 1.5. Fifth subdivision, 4 divided by 5. I want the denominator as a multiple of 10, so I multiplied by 2. 4 into 2 divided by 5 into 2. It gives 4 2s are 8, 5 2s are 10. So it gives 1 decimal, that means 0.8. Sixth question, they given 99 by 100. Directly we are having multiple of 10. So 100, 2 zeros it has. Therefore 2 decimal will come. So 0.99. Seventh question you see, 319 by 25. It is in mixed fraction form. So we have to convert into improper fraction form. Whole number into the denominator plus the numerator divided by same denominator 25. 3 into 25 gives 75 plus 19 divided by 25. 75 plus 19 gives 94 by 25. So I want to make that denominator 25 as 100. So I have to multiply by 4, both numerator and denominator. 94 into 4 by 25 into 4. 94 into 4 equal to 376 divided by 100. 100 has 2 zeros, so it gives 2 decimal. So 3.76 is the decimal form. Let us see the sixth question. Write the following decimals as fractions. First one 2.5, second one 6.4, third one 0.75. Answer, let us see the answer. 2.5, only one decimal. So it can be written as 25 by 10. It has only one decimal, so it can be written as 10 number that 10. So 25 divided by 10. Next subdivision 6.4, it also has one decimal, so it can be written as 64 by 10, 10 number 10. Third one you see 0.75, which is equal to, it has two decimals, so we have to write the denominator as 20 number 100. 75 by 100. This like we can write the decimal form to fraction form. Seventh question, express the following decimals as fractions in lowest form. The previous question also we have to convert the decimal form into fraction, but here one more step is we have to convert the lowest form. Lowest form means if the denominator and numerator has any common factor, means we have to remove the common factor by dividing. First one 2.34, second one 0.18, third one 3.56. Let us see the answer. First one 2.34, it has two decimals, so we have to write the denominator as 20 number 100, so it equal to 234 by 100. Both are divisible by 2 table, so when we divide by 2 table, it will give 117 by 50. See the second subdivision 0.18 given, so it is also having two decimal, so we have to write the denominator as 20 number 100. 18 divided by 100. Both are cancelling by 2 table. 9 2s are 18, 50 2s are 100. So dividing by 2 table we get 9 by 50. Let us see the third subdivision. 3.56 is given. It is also having two decimals, so we have to divide by 100. 356 divided by 100. So when we dividing by 2 table, it becomes 178 by 50. Again by 2 table, it becomes 89 by 25. Next one, objective type questions. First question, 3 plus 4 by 100 plus 9 by 1000 is equal to what? They given expanded form, we have to write it in decimal form. For that they given the options 30.49, 3049, 3.0049 and 3.049. See the given number, they didn't given divided by 10. So for that you put 0. So before that 0 you have to put the decimal. So your answer is fourth subdivision 3.049. Ninth question, 3 by 5 equal to what they asking? They given in fraction form, we have to write in decimal form. So denominator is 5. So we have to convert into multiple of 10. So 5 2s are 10. So same 3 2s are 6. So 6 by 10. When we dividing by 10, it will become one decimal. So your answer is 0.6. Next one, the simplest form of 0.35 is what they asking? 0.35, two decimals. So you have to divide by 100. So 35 divided by 100. Using 5 table you will get 7 by 20. Answer is 7 by 20. Thank you children. Revise all the questions. If you have any doubt, ask with the concerned teachers. Thank you.